What's up, guys? We are at Marion Lake, Marion Reservoir, what do they call it?
Yeah, Marion Reservoir.
Okay, and we planned on fishing at another location. Unfortunately, there was a lot of mud on the way, and we almost didn't make it out. This was the result. Look at all that mud in there. We almost didn't make it out, and I'm kind of glad I wasn't recording because I said a lot of very bad words. But we found another spot right here, and I think we're gonna drop the kayaks in. Right. Yes, this Toyota Highlander is not good in the mud. Actually, it's pretty useless in the mud. I had my foot to the floor and this thing was just barely moving. It didn't respond hardly at all in that mud. I don't know if it was because I got all that mud stuck in between there. That's probably my biggest problem. But anyways, we're gonna do some fishing. This is my buddy Ryan.
What's up, guys?
But I don't know. Alright, we'll go ahead and get the kayaks in.
Dragging my name down through the mud, 'cause you know I loved you more than
Cool, guys. So you saw me motion over there because I saw some commotion. I got my fluke stuck in the tree right above him. I couldn't get it out. So my fluke is actually still in the tree right now. But I tossed my shaky head with my cutter craw from Biz Baits right in there, and boom, he hit it. You saw how soon I set the hook. He was right there ready for it. We got him. Alright guys, so now we're off the water. We're getting our stuff loaded up. We're going to go grab a bite to eat. We're going to wash off the car. Hopefully we can get all that mud out of there. But Ryan caught, what, 3 or 4 fish probably? Yeah. Missed a few, missed a big one. Thing had to be 5 pounds. Come clear out the water and shook the hook right in front of both of us. And I don't know, I caught 5 or 6 probably and lost a few too. Most of them come off of a white fluke. His was the white ice color. Mine was white and chartreuse, had a chartreuse tail. I caught a couple off of a Biz Baits cutter craw rigged on a shaky head. The shaky head was made by my buddy Adrian with Gone Johnson. Dope. Thanks, Adrian. I caught a few fish off that today. And then I caught one off of it was probably a quarter or 3/8 ounce rattle trap. So, but anyways, we had a good day. It was nice weather. I was kind of worried the fish would be shut down, but we had a pretty good bite there for a little while. We were catching quite a few off that fluke. There was a lot of shad busting, and so we took advantage of it. And luckily Ryan threw on a fluke and I followed suit, so he found out a good pattern for us this morning. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and sign off for now. He's gonna show me some sweet truck stop cheese fries, I don't know. But anyways, if they're that impressive, maybe I'll turn the camera on again. So, but anyways, everybody thinks we're dumbasses because we just about got stuck in the mud. So everybody's gonna be looking at us like we were a bunch of hooligans this morning or something. Alright, later guys.